What's going on, my dear brother?
Mr. Noor Nabi, you can see another respectable brother.
Welcome,
He's
welcome,
from
Mr.
London,
Nurnabi.
but he's a student of Islamic University. I think that at this moment you can share
Mashallah.
about yourself with him.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear brother.
Walaikum
How are you?
Assalam, alhamdulillah. I'm fine by the grace of the Almighty. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, Allah is the best planner, and I'm doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Thank you
Yes.
for joining us.
Mr. Noor Nabi, at this moment I want to request, brother, I think that at this moment you can share about yourself with my dear respectable brother Shakaut Hussain.
Mashallah. Assalamu alaikum. This is Noor with you. I'm going to complete my graduation in English from Kumla Victoria Government College.
Wow.
And I have a dream. After completing my graduation, I want to work for my country and countrymen. And I'm struggling to continue my study. For that reason, I want to mention me as a period of English.
Nice introduction.